With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So in this question it is given that in each of the following draw a perpendicular through point P to the segment AB. Okay. So first is given this part. Okay. Here a line segment given AB and the point P is here. So from this point I have to draw a line perpendicular to AB. Okay. Similarly in this part this is my P given. Okay. And in third part this my P given. Okay. So for the first part we will see. Okay. So here you can see that first I will make my line segment. Okay. So this is my line segment, say AB. Okay. Now here is my point P. Okay. Now from this I will make a parallel line. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now here I will make the perpendicular bisector with the help of compass. Okay. So here I have to make a small semicircle like this. Okay. This will be my semicircle. Okay. You can see here. This is my semicircle. Now by keeping at this point. Okay. By putting at this point, I have to cut an arc here. So it will be cut like this. Okay. By keeping at this point. Okay. I will cut an arc here. Okay. Similarly, by keeping at this point, okay, I will take AB little bit more distance between them. Okay, it is very less distance. Okay, so here is my AB. Okay, at this point, here is my AB. Okay, now here by these two arcs, okay, by putting at this point, you will cut an arc here. Similarly, by putting at this point, okay, you will cut an arc here. Okay. Now, by this point of intersection, a straight line will be passing through AP, okay, to AB. So, this will be my perpendicular of AB. Okay. Now, in second part, okay, so here second part is given. So, in second part, you can see again, here I will draw AB. Okay. This is my AB again. Now here the point is given on this line only. Okay. So by the similar procedure, I will draw an arc like this. Okay. This will be my arc. Now by putting at this point, I will cut an arc here. Similarly, at this point, I will cut an arc here. Okay. Now at this point you will cut an arc here. Similarly, by putting at this point you will cut an arc here. Okay. So a line passing from P will goes like this. Okay. So you can see this is my perpendicular of AB in the second part. Okay. Now third part is given like this, AB. Okay. So here I am drawing the third part. So my AB is given like this. Okay, this is my AB and my P point is given here. Okay, this is my P point. So here you can see that I will draw a parallel line to AB, exactly parallel to AB. Okay, now again I will draw a semicircle. Okay, in all the questions for making perpendicular bisector, first you have to draw a semicircle. Okay, now by putting at this point, I will cut an arc here. Similarly, I will cut an arc here. Okay. Now, at this point you will put, so you will cut an arc here. Similarly, by this point, you will cut an arc here. Okay. So, they will like this. Okay. Now, a straight line will be passing through P. Okay. So, this is my perpendicular of AB. So, I hope you understand the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.